Alright, now the oil is drained out. I put the plug back in and tighten up the clamp. Now we're going to change the oil filter. As you can see, I put a rag down there. Going to help protect, try to keep a little oil off the engine. I'm going to give this bike a bath anyways, but I try not to make a big mess if I don't have to. And we'll spin the filter off. Now you can see why I put the rag down there. Big old mess. Alright, I'll wipe it up. Yeah, like I said, this bike's getting a bath because it's dirty. Been sitting. So, open up my new oil filter. Take that wrapper off of it. I'm going to put a little bit of oil in it, not much because I can't put a whole lot in it. Just a little bit. And a little bit on the seal. You always want to make sure your rubber O-ring come off with your old oil filter, or it will never seal. Spin the new one on. Do not use the oil filter wrench to tighten the new one down. Since my hands are all slimy right now. Fluff your rag. You get it on there good snug. Just like that. Alright, now we're going to put some oil back in the bike. So, bear with me. We'll come around over here. The specs for this bike are 2.6 quarts. Some specs say 3.2, but I did some checking and everybody said 2.6. With the filter. So I'm using Lucas 2050 full synthetic. I like it. It's good oil. It helps reduce a lot of the heat in these bikes. I use it in my other bikes, my personal bikes. It helped lower the temperature on my 16 Slim. That 110 creates a lot of heat. I believe in Lucas products are good stuff. I know a lot of people run Redline, and I haven't tried it. I might try it sometime on one of my other bikes. My nice thing about these Sportsters is you don't have to have a funnel to put oil in them. They got a nice big opening here. Works really good. Yeah, it's 2 full quarts. I'm going to be a little shy on oil, but that's alright. I got to go get some more. But this will be enough for it to get it going and run safely. Not hurt the engine or nothing. Now, on Sportsters, and like my Softails, you want to check the oil when the engine's hot and on the kickstand. That cap's not on there all the way, but I'll fix that here a little bit. So we're going to start it up, get the oil circulating. Here we go. Gonna let it run for a little bit. And I'll check the oil. Well, I know I'm going to have to get some more, so. But you always want to make sure nothing's leaking out. Not have no leaks. So we're good. Oil light went off right away. We're good. All right. Well, there's the oil change done.